Hey everyone, it's Jesse with Bonafide Fine Homes and Estates, and today I wanted to continue our discussion on what's in the new bill that just recently passed through Congress. Last time we spoke about all the good things that's in the bill for home buyers, and today I want to kind of discuss what's in the bill for landlords, investors, and those of you who have rental properties or are looking to purchase one. There's a couple of great things on there. The first one is a qualified business income deduction. This has now been made permanent. It's 23%, so you can now deduct 23% of the net income, rental income that is, from your taxes, and this has been made permanent. Secondly, we have a 100% bonus depreciation, which basically means if you have rental property, you can now deduct things like appliances and flooring and new HVAC systems. You can fully depreciate those improvements on the first year. So that's a pretty big win there for investors. And for low income housing, there's a tax credit that's been expanded, and this is great for those developing multifamily homes or long-term rentals. This should be hopefully a big boost to more affordable housing in this country. And then there's an state exemption credit that has been extended. So the state exemption is now $15 million per person. So this obviously this is great if you inherit property that's valued as high as $15 million, and there's this new exemption now that doubled up to $15 million. So guys, this I think all of this is great news for the housing market. It's still a hot market for sellers, and I think with some of these changes, it's a great time to take some of that equity in your home and trade up. And for buyers, first-time home buyers, now you have more deductions with the PMIs and some of these mortgage interest deductions that were just passed. And investors, you have more write-offs than before, and you can accelerate depreciation and grow your portfolios. So overall, I think it's great for the market. It's great for real estate. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And hey, let's get out there, let's buy property, let's invest, and let's build equity, and let's do it together. Give us a call. We can't wait to work with you. Take care.